This video will walk you through tutorial 11.3, which will show you how to connect your application to an existing database. So we're going to begin by downloading the product DB MDF and saving it. This is going to be our data source. Now the next thing we'll do is we'll open up Visual Studio and we'll make a new project as usual, and we'll name it products. First thing we'll do is we'll change the forms text property to products. Now we'll click project, add a new data source. We'll select the database, next, dataset, next. We'll click on new connection. We'll select Microsoft SQL Server database file. Click continue. It will ask us to install missing packages and say OK to that and yes to this. Click install. Click continue. You might have to wait a little bit for it to get going. Microsoft Visual Studio automatically restarts itself, and I'm going to click to recover the selected files. And at this point we can close this little window. Now we're going to have to go back to project, add new data source. We're going to select database, next, dataset, next. We're going to again click new connection. We're going to select Microsoft SQL Server database file for a second time. Click continue. And at this point now it will allow us to select the file which I downloaded. That was the MDF file we just downloaded. We're going to open that. And we'll just say OK to this now. Click yes. We're going to click next at this point. And we're going to confirm yes to this as well. We're going to click next on this to continue. Now you're going to see this, and we're going to expand the tables entry, and we're going to place a checkbox next to the product, as you see. And we'll just call this product dataset, and we're going to click finish. db.mdf database as a data source to the application, and he created a dataset component that is connected to the product table, and the name of the dataset component is product dataset. Next, you're going to display the data sources window. Click view, then select other windows, then click data sources, and you can see this little window. We're going to right click and click preview data. We can close it. You have to select the form design And then you can click on the product on the data source and you will see the drop down arrow, and here you can choose details. Then you will drag and drop this into your form. And at this point, we can move these around if we want to a little bit, resize the form if we want to. And now I'm just gonna run the program, which is connected with the database. And you can see that we can go through the different records in our database. And if we wanted to, we can also add to the database, and we can also delete from the database.